Today we gather with heavy hearts to celebrate the life of Sean. He had a need for speed and a love for the open road. Whether it was on his motorcycle, his one wheel, or even his grandma's powered chair. But more than machines or roads, Sean loved his people. He loved being with his friends, laughing, joking, sharing late nights that turned into early mornings. He had a way of making everyone feel welcome, like you were part of something bigger just by being around him. Well, we carried him with us in our stories, our memories, and the lessons he unknowingly gave us about living boldly and loving deeply. Rest easy, Sean. May the roads be endless, the skies wide open, and the engines always running just right.
Nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. We're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. We're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. Somebody sound the alarm. A fire was set in the dark. It's time that you know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. It doesn't matter if the world is gone mad, if we just hold on, if we just hold on, yeah. The sky is falling and the world is gone mad, and we sing our songs and we just hold on, yeah. So if you're running, stop running. One life, one chance, start living. Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.